Morning, YouTube. We are all loaded up. We're getting ready to head out, go fishing. We're going to check out Silver Lake in Bucksport, Maine today. Never been there. Gonna give it a shot. Looks like a pretty place, but I'm taking you with me. Give you a tour of the lake anyways on where I'm going to be fishing. Not really going to show fishing videos. There's all kinds of that out there, but giving you a different perspective of, different place for a to go check out sometime. Looks like a pretty place, what I've seen online. So follow me, shall you? All right, guys, we made it. Silver Lake. Bucksport has a really nice boat landing. A few loons. A lady walking by told me there's about 6 pairs of loons around in here. If you go out around this point, it actually opens up on the other side, and there's an island over there. It's all pretty shallow on the north end, which is where we're going to be fishing. But let's go for a ride. Silver Lake. So far, very impressed. Only been out here a little bit, fished a little bit, haven't caught anything yet, but very clear lake. So this lake is actually a man-made lake. It was made a long time ago, back when the paper mill was operating here in Bucksport. It was created to supply water to the paper mill. With that, they also supplied water to the town. So they came, from what I've read, they came in and cut down some trees, made this ditch, dammed it up, and it's fed by Alamoosic Lake, which is nearby. And so this is the town's water supply. The paper mill is no longer in operation. I didn't drive by it today. I heard it was getting torn down. I'm not sure if it actually has or not. I didn't drive by that way. Maybe I will on the way out and just see if it's there or not. So paper industry is greatly diminished here in Maine. Bigger operations and other states as well as other countries have taken over that industry. Something that started here in Maine hundreds of years ago. Very, very quiet here. There's no development along the lake at all, from what I've read and understand. The land around the lake is owned by the town, so there's no development, and it's primarily to cut down on the amount of activity in the water where it's their drinking water, the drinking supply. But motorboats are allowed in here. You cannot swim in here. That is not allowed. But so far, I've seen six different loons. I'm actually staring at two of them right now, way off in the distance. GoPro wouldn't be able to pick it up very well, obviously for lack of zooming capabilities on the GoPro. But so yeah, that's all I got to say for now. Oh, there. Back on shore, getting ready to load everything back into the truck. Just thought I'd take a minute, talk to you guys. So I'm sitting on a picnic table. This is where we would park after you unload your boat, kayak, canoe, and this is the view. You can sit here and have lunch, whatever you would like. Absolutely gorgeous day out. It's probably around 60 or so. pre-black fly season, so it's really nice out right now. That's parking. So there is hiking trails around here too. Back up the road a little ways. Plan on coming back. Probably bring the kids and the wife when I do that, and check out the hiking trails as well. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Very, very quiet. Hear loons. See some. Saw a couple hawks off spray. Bald eagle. Just a great place to go. So check it out sometime. One thing I forgot to mention, if you like this content, like this video, whatever, feel free to like the video. If you really like things, subscribe, hit the little bell next to it. I'll give you notifications anytime I upload a new video. I'm hoping to do quite a few this year, primarily focusing around the state of Maine. Again, yeah, exploring me. That's my channel. Thank you.